Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you why is Cash App not letting me send Bitcoin. There are a few reasons why this issue can happen and I'll walk you through the steps to identify and solve the problem. The first thing you should check is whether your Cash App is updated to the latest version. If your app is outdated, certain features may not work properly, including the ability to send Bitcoin. To update the app, open the Google Play Store or the App Store on your phone, search for Cash App, and if you see the option to update, tap on it and wait for the update to complete. Once it's updated, open Cash App again and check if this fixes the problem. If updating the app doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to clear the app's cache. To do this, go to your device settings, scroll down and tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage or the equivalent option on Android and scroll to locate Cash App. Tap on it, then select Offload App to clear the cache. After that, reopen Cash App and see if you can send Bitcoin. If neither of these steps works, the issue may be related to your account or Cash App's internal restrictions. Sometimes Cash App limits certain activities, like sending Bitcoin, due to account-related problems. This could happen if your account verification is incomplete or if unusual activity was detected. To fix this, you'll need to contact Cash App Support. You can do this directly from the app by going to the Help or Support section. Be sure to explain your situation clearly, include any error messages you've received, and provide the details they request. The support team will help identify why your account is restricted and guide you through the solution. Finally, it's important to make sure your Bitcoin wallet in Cash App is fully verified. Cash App requires users to verify their identity before allowing Bitcoin transactions. If you haven't completed this process, you'll need to do that first. Go to the Bitcoin section in Cash App and follow the prompts to verify your identity, including providing any necessary documents or information. That's it. Those are the steps to fix the issue if Cash App is not letting you send Bitcoin. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.